Morning everyone. From a new device and no more device. That may I say. I have an update for you on the WhatsApp hacking. For those who are not aware, WhatsApp was hacked between last night and this morning. So this is official news and a gossip thing. So those who have them WhatsApp service want to use, just kindly just update to the latest software. Listen to what the radar says.
That major security breach at one of the world's largest communication apps, WhatsApp. WhatsApp has discovered a vulnerability that allows remote spyware to be installed on mobile devices. A British newspaper is reporting that an Israeli security firm, NSO Group, developed that surveillance software. The report saying a UK attorney involved in a lawsuit against the NSO Group was among the selected targets. WhatsApp is urging its 1.5 billion users to install the latest update as a precaution immediately. Okay, so what do you need to do? Let's talk about that and much else with Max Hoppenstedt. He's a tech expert and investigative journalist. Thanks for coming in, Max. Can you tell us about, first of all, the NSO Group, which apparently breached WhatsApp security systems?
Well, NSO Group is a company that operates on a quite opaque gray market that little is known about, but they are one of the largest players in the business of developing surveillance tools or hacking tools. And
okay, they're based in Israel and Tel Aviv.
They're an Israeli company, allegedly 500 people, and these tools that they develop, they can sell for hundreds and thousands of dollars.
Okay, and who have they been selling them to?
Well, there is also little known about that, and they wouldn't be the ones that deploy the tools. They allege that their tools are only used to capture drug kingpins or terrorists, but there is also human rights activists that say otherwise.
Okay, what are those human rights activists saying? Who was targeted in this breach? How many users are we talking about?
Well, we're talking about a very small number of people. That's important to know when we talk about this breach. This is a targeted attack that would only be used to capture high-profile targets. So that means researchers and human rights advocates are saying that a Saudi dissident, a Qatari dissident, a lawyer based in London, Mexican journalists were targeted by the software. So this is not the type of attack that attacks 10,000s of people.
Okay, but it could be sold to a group that would be interested in my data or your data or any of our viewers out there, for example.
If they were to say that you were such a high-profile target, yes. But it's a quite complicated attack that you can't scale to a very large amount, but nonetheless, it's a very dangerous attack, and it's a dangerous sign that this software can be out there used on a platform like WhatsApp.
Okay.
All right, so you hear that now. This was put out about 3 hours ago. You know, look at my watch. Watch I say 8 almost 13 in the morning, Tuesday morning, the May the 14th, right? So if you feel like a high-profile person now, and you know your data out there, I encourage you to update your WhatsApp. You know, most of my followers them, nothing for hiding on them WhatsApp still, but just I make you know still, cause this thing real. Big up on yourself, you know. Just I keep on updated. That may I say. Have a good day. Till next time.